Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. If you're a lawyer, paralegal, or legal assistant, stay tuned. In this short course preview, I'll be discussing how to use speech-to-text software in legal practice. Many different developers make speech-to-text software, which is available on different platforms. In my experience, the easiest way to use speech-to-text software is on a smartphone. Most smartphones have built-in software that can be accessed by pressing a button that looks like a microphone on the touchscreen keyboard. When I select the microphone icon on my smartphone, it invites me to start talking. As I talk, the words I say are recognized and transformed into written text. Whereas some types of speech-to-text software requires users to train the program to recognize their voice, the software on my smartphone requires no training and works immediately. Take the following example. Hello, period. This is me showing you how to use speech-to-text software, period. It's capturing everything that I'm saying, period. Although the software sometimes makes errors with certain words and sounds, comma, it's generally quite good at recognizing spoken words and converting them into text, period. As you can see, the software recognized everything I said and turned it into written text. If I want to get this text onto my computer, I simply send it to myself by email and then copy and paste it as needed. In legal practice, I use this feature on a daily basis, usually after client meetings. Although I'd often take notes on my laptop during meetings, I'd also speak a memo into my phone using speech-to-text software by talking out what happened in the meeting and mentioning if there were any highlights, takeaways, or follow-up points. Because I can talk much faster than I can type, it was helpful to talk out an explanatory memo while the meeting was still fresh in my mind. To be double sure that I wasn't contravening any rules about confidentiality, I'd speak in a way which didn't provide any identifying information that might be sent outside of my jurisdiction. For example, I'd make a memo that may look like this. Today I met with the client at about 10 o'clock a.m., period. The meeting lasted about 5 minutes, period. The client brought some banking documents regarding the estate of her mother, period. I asked my assistant to scan and file the documents, period. I also asked that a letter be prepared to request more information from the bank, period. After I'd make the memo on my smartphone, I'd send it to myself by email so that I could access it on my computer. Once the memo was on my computer, I'd make a new file in the client folder, copy the contents of the memo into that file, and add in any other information that I didn't include when I dictated the memo, such as any confidential or identifying information. Another popular choice for speech-to-text software is Dragon Naturally Speaking. Dragon Naturally Speaking installs on computers and smartphones and launches from the operating system. It can be used to carry out all of the functions that I've been discussing. With respect to confidentiality, one of the major benefits of Dragon Naturally Speaking is that it processes the user's voice on their local computer and doesn't send the data outside of the system. If you're interested in purchasing Dragon Naturally Speaking, please get in touch with me for more information and an affiliate code. Thank you for watching. I hope that I was able to provide you with some useful information that you can put into use today. If you liked this video and found it to be helpful, please comment below, leave a like, and subscribe to this channel. For more information about me and the full version of this course, please use the below link to visit me at my website.